everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited today to be reviewing and talking about a different brand than what I usually talk about. I am reviewing the Mellow Cosmetics palette, the Stardust Glow Palette, along with using their glitter chrome eyeshadow. It's very, very beautiful. I've been trying this stuff all weekend. Absolutely love it. And I also have been trying their matte liquid lip paint, and I have the color Capri, so I'm going to be using that, and then their lip pencil as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start by saying I've already did my brows, lined my lids, curled, did my foundation and everything. I've also primed my eyelids as well. Okay, so I want to start by saying that this is an Australian brand, so if you do order from them, it does take a good 2 weeks for this to come in due to everything that's happening right now with shipping from international companies. It may take about 2 weeks for it to get to you, so just be aware of that if you do order from them. I am linking below this video my code to get 15% off your first order with them, and also use code MELLOW15 for 15% off. But to get to their site, just click the link below. Alright, so I'm going to get started. This is the copper eyeshadow that I'm using on my lids, and this color is just like so gorgeous. And you can layer this and it creates kind of like a duochrome sort of effect, but this is just so pretty. And I'm using my fingers because I feel like that is the best blending tool that I have, but I will go in and kind of smudge it out with a brush in a second. I'm just blending out the sides. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, but I'm going to go in a second and add more. Okay, now I'm going to use this brush and just kind of blend out what I've done and add just a little bit more. And I'm gonna just kind of wing that out. I am gonna go through and use this Stardust Glow palette in a second and just kind of add a little bit of that bronzer to my crease, and then probably add some more of this as well on top of it, just to add contrast. I love the Stardust Glow palette because I feel like it can be used as a contour palette, but it also can be used as eyeshadow. The colors are really, really, really pigmented as well. Okay, so I feel like this color would look really nice on its own, but I do want to add like a little bit more contrast in the crease. So I'm going to go in with the Mellow Cosmetics Stardust Glow palette, and I'm going to go into my crease to add just a little bit more contrast. And this palette is so pigmented, so you don't need much to make a difference. I made the mistake of going in with my brush too hard the first time, and when I did, I looked a little bit too intense because I didn't expect it to be this pigmented. You only need a really small amount to go a long way. So I'm going in with the wet brush and just kind of patting that copper color on my lid. I did see where they had a champagne glitter eyeshadow, and I really am interested in getting that one because I love wearing like shimmery shades, like especially like a champagne kind of color on my lid. I think that would be really pretty. This color just I thought was really pretty because it reminds me of fall. But see how like making it wet, I just used a setting spray and it like really just kind of morphs this color. Makes it look like a foil eyeshadow. Go back in with the Mellow Stardust Glow palette, and I'm gonna just do my brow bone with the highlight color Star, and I'm also going to do that same color on my inner corner. But yeah, this This is like a beautiful, beautiful highlight color. So that's what we have right now. Now I am going to use what I usually use to line my lids, and unfortunately I didn't buy a liner from them, so I'm going to do my mascara and my eyeliner really quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I have lashes on that are really intense. Hopefully you can still see how amazing this eyeshadow is. But we're going back to the Mellow palette that I was talking about earlier. I'm going to be using the color Dawn, which is this beautiful bronze color, to just bronze my face. And this is like a really pretty like color. And this palette, they have an option to buy like the one for fair skin and the one for darker skin. In the darker skin palette, there's this really pretty like almost lavender highlight color in it. And I almost wish I would have gotten that too. I'm definitely going to be ordering from Mellow again. Because now that I see that the quality is good and I like how it lays on my skin, I'm definitely going to look into buying more. And this is a great line, like if you do professional makeup, they have a lot of varieties of different colors that you can use. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the color Delta, which is this really pretty like hot corally shade. Trying to, yeah, there we go, see it a little bit better. And it's really pigmented, as I've said before, so be sure you tap that off. But it's very, very pretty. Like, I barely tap my brush into it, and it is so pigmented. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the highlight Luna, which is this really pearly pink color of highlight. It's a pretty color, but I do think like for like eyeshadows and highlight, I do prefer the Star one. I guess I just prefer more of like a gold color than this pinky color. But I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. Again, super pigmented. Look at that. Is called a lip pencil apparently. And it's the color Adria is probably it. And it's like a really pretty kind of it looks like it would be a plummy color, but because I've been using this past weekend, I know it's like red, especially when I use it with the liquid lip. But I'm gonna put this on so you guys can see it, and it goes on so smooth, like butter. Okay, and that's on. And then I have the color Capri, and this is the matte liquid lip paint. And this is really, really good stuff. And I'm comparing it to the Kat Von D liquid lipstick. When I say that, that stuff is everlasting the everlasting KVD lip paint or lipstick. That's what I'm comparing this to. And this stuff is comparable. I really, really, really enjoy and love this whole look, and like this palette, if anything, is a great palette to buy from Mellow Cosmetics. I fully stand by this. Like, I love the colors. You can use them all over your face, as I showed you. And then the quality is like really good for their liquid lip paint. Like, you can't really go wrong. I do think I'm going to buy some more of these glitter chrome eyeshadows from them because they are so pretty. Like, I am obsessed. Yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you are interested in purchasing from Mellow Cosmetics, please see the link down below. Press the link and use code MELLOW15 and you will get 15% off your first order. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.